Hello, dear viewers. We hope you're having a fantastic day. Today we delve into an intriguing confluence of thought and belief, the age-old debate of religion versus science. From the dawn of our species, these two forces have shaped our societies, our cultures, and our very understanding of the universe. Religion, with its profound narratives and moral compass, has given us a sense of purpose and belonging. Science, on the other hand, with its relentless pursuit of knowledge and truth, has unraveled the mysteries of the cosmos and the world within us. As we navigate this vast ocean of thought, we'll do so with respect and objectivity, acknowledging that both religion and science have their unique contributions to the human experience. This discussion isn't about proving one right and the other wrong, but understanding their roles in our lives. As we embark on this intellectual journey, keep an open mind and remember that every viewpoint has its own merits. Religion, as we understand it, is a matter of faith. A simple yet profound statement that lays the groundwork for the vast tapestry of belief systems that have shaped human civilization for millennia. At the heart of every religion lies the concept of faith. It's a leap into the unknown, a trust in something greater, something beyond our immediate perception. Faith is not about empirical evidence or logical reasoning. It's about belief. It's about accepting the existence of a higher power or a set of principles that guide the universe, even in the absence of tangible proof. Faith holds the answers to some of life's most existential questions. Where did we come from? Why are we here? What happens after death? These are questions that science, in all its glory, struggles to answer definitively. Yet, religion through faith provides answers to these queries, offering narratives that give meaning to our existence. But faith is not just about answering life's big questions. It is also a compass that guides us through the maze of life, providing moral and ethical codes to adhere to. From the 10 Commandments in Christianity to the 5 pillars of Islam, from the Eightfold Path in Buddhism to the Yamas and Niyamas in Hinduism, faith provides a roadmap for living a righteous and fulfilling life. What's more, faith serves as a balm for the soul. It offers solace in times of distress, comfort in moments of despair, and hope when all seems lost. It's a refuge, a sanctuary that provides a sense of belonging and community, inspiring acts of kindness, charity, and love. However, faith is not without its challenges. It requires a suspension of doubt, a willingness to accept things as they are without questioning or skepticism. It's a balancing act, a dance between the heart and the mind, between what we feel and what we know. Religion, thus, offers solace and guidance to its believers, making life's mysteries a little less daunting. It's a leap of faith, a plunge into the depths of the unknown, daring us to believe in the unseen, the unfathomable, and the divine. On the other side of the spectrum, we have science, the relentless pursuit of knowledge. Imagine a world where we have an insatiable curiosity, a thirst for understanding what lies beyond our immediate perception. This is the world of science. It's a realm where questions are welcomed, where mysteries are not merely accepted, but actively pursued. It's a realm that thrives on the unknown and seeks to make it known. The scientific method is the cornerstone of this pursuit. It's a systematic approach to investigating the natural world. It begins with observation, with taking in the world around us, with noticing patterns and anomalies. It's about asking questions, the whys, the hows, the what-ifs. From there, we form hypotheses, educated guesses about how things work. But these hypotheses are not taken at face value. They are put to the test through rigorous experimentation. The aim is not to prove these hypotheses right, but to prove them wrong. It's a process of elimination that brings us closer to the truth, one failed hypothesis at a time. Evidence is paramount in science. It's the bedrock upon which our understanding is built. It's the proof we need to accept a concept as true or discard it as false. In science, belief without evidence is not an option. It's a system that values skepticism, that encourages questioning and demands proof. Science is a journey of discovery. It seeks to explain the natural world, to understand the mechanisms that drive the universe. From the tiniest subatomic particle to the vast expanses of the cosmos, science seeks answers. It's a never-ending quest, a pursuit of knowledge that continues to push the boundaries of our understanding. But science isn't just about uncovering the secrets of the universe. It's also about using this knowledge to improve our lives, to solve problems, to innovate. It's about harnessing the power of nature, about shaping the world around us. Science, therefore, is our tool for unveiling the secrets of the universe, one discovery at a time. While seemingly opposing, religion and science do share some common ground. This statement might seem a bit paradoxical at first, but if we take a closer look, it starts to make sense. Both religion and science are driven by a fundamental human curiosity, an innate desire to understand the world around us and our place within it. Think about it this way. Religion and science are like two different languages, each trying to describe the same reality. They both seek answers to life's big questions. Where do we come from? Why are we here? What happens when we die? However, the methods they use to find these answers and the way they interpret them are where the points of divergence come into play. Religion often relies on faith, scripture, and divine revelation. It offers an absolute truth, a certainty that can provide comfort in an uncertain world. Science, on the other hand, is grounded in empirical evidence and observation. It's a process of constant questioning, testing, and revising. Its truths are always provisional, always open to challenge and change. It's a never-ending quest for knowledge. But it's not all black and white. There are areas where religion and science overlap. Many religious texts, for instance, contain statements that align with scientific understanding. And some scientists see in the complexity and beauty of the universe a divine hand at work. But the key point of divergence lies in the approach. Religion seeks answers from a divine authority, while science seeks answers from the natural world. One offers certainty, the other uncertainty. One offers comfort, the other challenges. One is based on faith, the other on evidence. Yet despite these differences and conflicts, both religion and science serve a fundamental human need. They help us make sense of our existence, give us a sense of purpose, and help us navigate the complexities of life. Despite their differences, both religion and science serve a fundamental human need to understand the world we live in. As we wrap up our discussion, let's revisit the main points we've covered. We started with a leap of faith, where we explored the principles of religion and how faith forms the bedrock of religious beliefs. We delved into the teachings of sacred texts like the Bible, which guide millions of lives around the world, offering moral and ethical compasses, providing comfort and fostering community. We also touched on the fact that religion, with its deep historical and cultural roots, often serves as a source of identity and belonging for many. Then we took a turn towards the pursuit of knowledge, where we examined the principles of science and its relentless quest for understanding the universe. We talked about how science uses empirical evidence and logical reasoning to draw conclusions about the natural world. We discussed groundbreaking scientific discoveries like the theory of relativity and the structure of DNA that have revolutionized our understanding of existence. We also looked at the points of convergence and divergence between religion and science. We spoke about how both religion and science seek to answer fundamental questions about the nature of existence, albeit in different ways. While religion often provides answers based on faith and divine revelation, science seeks answers through empirical observation and experimentation. We also acknowledged the tension that sometimes arises when religious beliefs and scientific findings seem to conflict. Yet, we also highlighted instances where religion and science have found common ground, showing that they can coexist and even complement each other, enriching our understanding of the world in the process. In the end, the roles of religion and science in society are vast and complex. They both have their unique places and offer different perspectives on understanding our existence. Whether you lean more towards religion, science, or somewhere in between, the important thing is to respect differing viewpoints and continue the conversation. Thank you for joining us on this journey of exploration.